Don't run away from everybody. Stay close. Whoa, what's over there? Slow down. Stop when you get to the top. I can't see where you're going. Stop when you get to the top. Mac. Parker, get down there. Alright, wait. I can't see where you're going. Stay there.
She's getting like up there the other way.
You found your friends? How's it going today? Oh, I didn't see Mommy and Gabby get down. Well, I talked to him and planned it out just right. That's what, well, Gabby woke up this morning. She said, I wonder if I'll see my friends today. I was like, you never know. Yeah. It's funny how it works out. So where are you guys from? We're from Southern Illinois. Look how cool that is.
Come here, Piper. You want a picture with Jacob? You want to come with me, Piper? Yeah.
Make sure you don't fall into the water.
Gabby, you want to go up there with Mackie? Yeah, I'll hold your hand, sweetie. Yeah, I'll hold your hand. Let's go over here and look at the water.
Stay behind Courtney. Courtney, she's going to stay behind you.
I got you.
No, I want to go up there.
You want to go around?
That's so good. I want to go down.
Okay, just wait for a minute. Other people, just sit patiently.
Max, stop right there, buddy.
Just patience. Remember, we talked about patience.
There you go.
Do you need help?
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah. Scared you, didn't you? Stop, Courtney. Piper. Stop for just a moment.
Brandon.
Courtney. Piper. Piper, listen.
Who's
Stop.
going away? Be kind and listen. Jake, I know. Dad, I know.
You coming up here, Macker?
Dad, yeah.
Come here.
There, you think I'm doing over there. So you want to go? I'm going to have to. No, you could have gone over. Up.
Wonder how deep it is.
Oh, over the what? It's dangerous. Where's Katie, guys?
Excuse us.
No, where is Katie?
We're in the top of the rock, Mackie. Let's find Mommy. Run up here. Right here. There they are. Let's go this way.
The way we got. Huh?
No, this is a different way.
Where is it going to lead us?
Does anybody want to go back to the cooler and go potty and get a drink real quick?
We're going to be walking right by it, guys. Slow down, P. Good job, sweetie.
I'm going up here.
Brandon, she's gonna need some help across that crack.
I'm on this side. I don't wanna. I'm gonna find out what's making it like this. Whoa! Kiss me. Ready, steady, go.
Ready, set. Mac! Mac and Gus, stop! Come on, let's go. Yeah, I don't know. Come on. We'll go over here and look. We're going to try to find that big rock that was bigger than the trees.
Bigger than all these trees?
Yeah.
Hands and feet. See? I can. Hands and feet. Hands and feet. Gotta do it. Maybe up here. Hands and feet. I did it. You're okay.
Mackie, get out of the way.
No, I'm trying to hold your hand. Daddy, hold on.
Mac,
Hold on to my hand.
just leave, I got her. Just leave her be.
No, I can do it.
She doesn't want you to, buddy.
Ready? Gabby, hold on to my
Parker,
hand.
stop picking her up. That's how people fall and get hurt. I got you, sweetie. There, just use your... I got you.
How about that rock?
I got you. Let go of her, Parker. That's how people fall down.
I was just helping
I know.
her.
I'm just telling you to stop.
It's okay.
All right, I need everybody to sit there and let me take a picture of you. Mac and Gabby. Parker. Mac. Mac. Mac.
Can I hold that?
No, look, they get bigger. See those big rocks over there in the trees?
Oh my goodness. Can we try on that?
Yeah, I'm sure this goes all the way around. Not that... You want to hold it? Remember, you want to hold this straight, okay?
Okay, why?
So you can, because that's what it's pointing at. If you hold it, if it points down at the ground, you're going to take a video of the ground.
Actually, that looks really cool. That's actually really It's hard to hold because it's so long.
What?
What is it?
Parker, slow down. You want to go up there? You want to take a video? Okay. Go.
Gets to do it.
You're going to hold it up a little bit like that. Alright, we're just making a video, Mackie. Can you make sure you're looking at the lens? Gabby, you want to come get in our picture? Mommy? Come on. Gabby, come get in our picture.
It started to... Whoa. I'm out of here.
Look at that rock at that looks like, oh, Parker, come here.
What?
It looks kind of like a monkey's eyes and his nose.
No.
Look at the edge of the thing.
Mommy, can
Who's she
I go
talking
over
about?
that way?
The edge of that ledge right there.
Oh wow, that's pretty.
Where?
It's the
It's
monkey.
like a, it's like
That
a,
ape.
I don't see
it's
it.
like a cartoon
Yeah.
knighted monkey.
I don't see it.
See, its nose is really down low where the thing is,
See that? The little thing that drips out?
and then the light-colored triangle is like its eye, its
See it?
eyebrows, the ledge.
Can I hold that for that one? I can do
Mackie, you're about to drop it off the edge.
Here, Daddy, take a picture of it and I'll show it to you. I'll point to it. See if Daddy will.
Well, I'm gonna get on the way.
Come on. Let's find mommy. There's mommy over there.
Where's Mama?
Look at that. Let's go take a picture over there.
I'll make it. I got it. Don't worry about it.
Now we're gonna jump off. Ready? 3, 2,
Gabby, Mackie, come here.
We already seen it.
Well, I haven't. Take a picture with me.
I hope that.
Oh, wow.
I hope that.
How cool is that?